Please tell me about yourself.
Good morning, sir, and my dear friends. Thank to all giving me this opportunity. Self introduction. My name is Sonu Kumar, son of Srikant Sharma. Basically, I am from Aurangabad district in Bihar, but nowadays I live in Khemnichak, Patna. I have completed BSc in physics from Magad University, but nowadays I am pursuing in ITI in electrician branch, and my part-time course is KYP at Hanuman Nagar in class and test. This course is launched by a state government. This course offer me a skill development for youth, including writing, listening, speaking in English and Hindi, both languages. My short time goal is to crack government examination, and my long time goal is a genuine person. I am hard worker and multitasker. I belong to nuclear family. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.